Welcome guys. In my previous video I have shown how to add a marker to our React leaflet. In this video I am going to show how to get users coordinate and mark that in our leaflet application. For this I am going to create a custom hook to get user geolocation. So I am going to use geolocation API for this. So let's create a custom hook in our hooks folder. Use geolocation. So hook is nothing but a normal function which returns few attributes. You can also hold the internal state. So we can create a new state to hold our location details of the user. So which has coordinates and whether the application has loaded or not. Because unless user gives the permission, the location state will be not loaded. Only when user allows us the location permission, then we'll be able to get the location. So to manage that, we need to have a few attributes. So let's have this lat long inside coordinates, and we'll have a new key called loaded false. So once we get the latitude and longitude information, we will make this loaded to true. And we'll name this as location, and we have another function to update this location. So we'll return this location at the end of this. Now when we have this use effect of when the component renders, we will actually ask for the permission and get the user location. So for this I'm going to use effect and pass empty dependency array so that it will be executed only when it is being rendered for the first time. So here I'm going to check if the browser supports the geolocation API. If it doesn't support this API, I'm going to return some error so that user will understand that the browser doesn't support the geolocation. So if it is not available in Navigator, then we can actually set this error attribute inside our location, and we can also make this loaded true. If loaded true, and if you see this error attribute, then there was some error in this location, getting location. So that is how we will understand whether the location has been get or there was some error in the location. So usually this is the format that we get from geolocation API, code and a message. So we'll also maintain the same for this. And once if the geolocation API is available, we can request for the location using navigator.geolocation dot get current position, and then we can pass two callbacks. One is the success callback and the error callback. So let's say if user clicks on a block or if he cancels the request, then error will be invoked, otherwise the success will be invoked. So let's first write this success. On success, we'll get a parameter where we'll get the coordinates. Once we get the coordinates, we'll set that in the state and mark this loaded as true. I'm going to set the coordinates which we get from this parameter location dot coords dot latitude, and the longitude is the same, location dot coords dot longitude. Now we are going to write the error callback function which will accept the parameter which is the error message, As I said earlier, it has the structure object. One is code and the message will be there. And I'm going to copy the same set location and make this loaded true. Instead of coordinates, I'm going to store the error. In my application, I will check whether it has error attribute. If it has the error attribute, then there was some error in the application. So here, instead of setting location from this, actually I can call this error callback from this function itself and pass this error object. I can delete this. This looks our code a little neat. So let's go back to our application and import this hook and get the location. So I'm going to use this hook here. Use geolocation. You need to input the correct geolocation hook that we just created. And then once you have the location, you can add a marker to that particular location inside our leaflet map. So for this, I'm going to use marker from the React leaflet. Here I'm going to check if the location is loaded and there was no error. Only then we know that the location detail is available. After that, we can render our marker. So we can import the marker from React leaflet, and we can pass position that comes from this location hook. This location dot coordinates dot lat. And the location dot coordinates dot long. And also we can pass the icon for this marker, which we have seen in our previous demo how to create this icon. If you don't know how, if you didn't see that video, then the link is in the description. You go and check the playlist. So once this is done, we can actually pan this map to that particular location. I will show in a bit. So we are seeing some error. Okay, React has been declared 2 times. Okay, now it asks for us the location access. If you allow, it will give the success callback. If you block, it will give the error callback. So once that is done, our marker is being displayed. Right now I have been in UAE. So the marker location is showing. And also if I click on that locate me, then I need to pan the map to that particular location. That is what I'm going to show how to do that. So show my location function. Here we are going to use also check if the location is loaded here, and there was no error in loading the location. Then else we can show whatever the error that is being thrown by geolocation API. So it's up to you how to handle this error condition. So I'm going to use this map ref to actually fly to. There was a function called fly to in leaflet. So I'm going to use that to actually pan our map to that particular location. So it's leaflet element dot fly to. For this we need to again pass the coordinates and also the zoom level. If you want to animate, then you can put animate through. So this location comes from our hook location.coordinates.lat and location.coordinates.long. Okay. Now I will call this show my location on clicking this button, which is locate me button. So once user clicks on, we will actually fly to that particular location. So let's see that. So if I click on this, it will actually fly to that particular location. And also you can change the current location, and you can again click on that locate me. It again still fly to that particular location. This is a good feature from Leaflet. So if you block the request, then you will be able to see the message. So I'm going to block it and click on locate me. Now it is not loaded, there was some error. So again I'm going to give access to my location, so we'll be able to see it. So we'll be flying to that particular location. So this is very easy to show the user location in map, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos like this.